Alright, we're going to go over the warm-up. It's a review of other quadratic topics we've talked about up until this point. First question here, we are asked to find the equation of a parabola with a focus of 8, -4, and a directrix of y equals 0. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch a general picture of what's happening, and then we are going to go about trying to find this equation. First thing I want to do, let's go ahead and draw a line y equals 0. That's my directrix. Y equals 0 like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say, where is this focus? This focus is 8, -4. That's below this line. So I'm going to say this is my focus, and that's going to be 8, -4. 8, -4 is my focus. That means my vertex is going to be directly in the middle of both of these. The only thing right now I know about my vertex is that is 8. I don't know my k value or my y value because it is missing. But I do know it's right in between these. I can look at my directrix and my focus and I can say this is 0 and this is -4. Halfway between 0 and -4 is -2. That is the rest of my vertex. This is my h value. That is my k value. H, k. Now what I need to do is I'm going to try to match this vertex to these equations. Let's go ahead and look at the h values of 8. If I have an h value of 8, I look inside the parentheses and I need a -8 because everything in the parentheses is opposite. So that one's good, that one's good. Oh, that one's not -8. I can get rid of that. That's not -8. I can get rid of that one. So I check my h value. Now I can check my k value. My k is -2. Outside the parentheses it works exactly as it should. -2 needs to be -2. That one's not. Answer has to be B because the other ones are missing. I do want to confirm, just so we can go over it, that we would have gotten an A value of -1/8. To get the A value, we use the formula 1/4C. 1/4, and my C value, what was this distance here again? That was 2, just like this distance here was 2. That's my C value. Because my focus goes down, is below my vertex, that's going to be a -2. So I'm going to put a -2 in there. So 1/4 times -2 is -8. That's just -1/8. And yes, that does match it. So that would be my equation. Alright, next one, number 2. For number 2, we are asked to find the focus of the parabola. Let's go ahead. Let's start sketching a little picture like we did over here. This one. Oh, by the way, this one over here would have gone down like that around the focus. Let's label my vertex. I have my vertex because this is in vertex form. My vertex would be -5, -2. There's my vertex. This opens upward because it's a positive A value, which means my focus is up here and my directrix is down here. To find out what these numbers are, I need to find my C value. I know this is going to open up in some general way. I know that this point is going to be -5 something. I just don't know what my focus is yet. To find the focus, I need my C value. My C value is equal to 1/4 times A. So 1/4, my A value is 1/4. 1/4. If I put this in my calculator, I'll get 1. 4 times 1/4 is 1. 1 over 1 is 1. So this C value here and here is 1. That means my directrix will be 1 less than, since it's below. -2 minus 1 is going to be -3. And if I go up 1 here in my y value, that's -1. -2 plus 1 is -1. So my focus for this one is going to be -5, -1. And that's my solution.